Try one more time. See what they got in stores for your boy. Just trying to do something. Oh yeah. Heck, you dog. Yeah, I'll have to get you a new motherfucker. Yeah, that mug. Pop that mug. Put that down before it blow up in my hand. That's what I'm saying. Whoa, what the heck? I ain't never seen nothing like that. Hell yeah, I'm about to order you a new one, man. Where you get that from? Amazon. Yeah, I'll have to get you one, man. Dang. See them mugs smoking, like, what the heck? Oh yeah, that mug dumb for. Hey, we ain't jumping that no more, so we going battery. That battery almost blew up my car. Yeah. Dang. Hey guys, that's crazy. We ain't messing with that battery no more. So we already know, man. Good old swap is coming down, man. We can't we ain't messing with that no more. You see the outcome of that? I don't even know where the back came, man. Oh man. So guys, monsters, man. So y'all already know, man. Now we got to do the actual swap to this thing, so we can't even get it started or even show y'all the knock because the battery is super dead and it's blowing everything up. So man, we gonna leave that completely alone, man. So yeah, guys, if you got an old school, get a fire extinguisher, man. So that's what we got in stores, man, for the good old Cookie Monster box Chevy, man. We're gonna go ahead and go in rebuild mode for it, man, since we can't get it stopped. So get it started. I just said stop. Since we can't get it started, man, go ahead, go into rebuild mode. It's about that time. But yeah, man, this your boy Lilo, rockin' with Lilo TV. Checking out this video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe the videos, guys, so I can hit y'all with more videos. And hey, let's go keep this going. Good.